understand it. Should have been arranged 10 minutes ago.
Henderson, check the radar range. Anything yet? 2 more minutes. They could be miles off course.
Henderson, let me know when you get anything.
Ted, what are you doing here? You can't fly this plane.
That's what I've been trying to tell these people.
I don't have time to say this gently, so I'll be very direct. Everyone on this plane is in a desperate situation. Mr. Stryker is the only hope we've got.
I'm ordering you to stay up there.
No dice, Chicago. I'm giving the orders and we're coming in. I guess the foot's on the other hand now, isn't it, Kramer?
Ahí está tirando la bola.